Alright, what's up, y'all? It's Mr. Beluga doing a video here. And, I don't know, it's pretty weird right now. I was out here thinking of, not a script, but like thinking of words to say for my two videos I'm gonna be uploading in a few minutes. And, from my neighbor's house, like next door, I heard like some, I don't know how to describe it, man. It was like some screaming or like moaning, I don't know. But nobody lives there. So it's either um a little kid, because that's what it sounded like, that's, I don't know, pulling some pranks or something, because I ain't heard it since like a few seconds ago. My bad. Neighbor's dog is walking, got me all freaked out even more now. B, it's a ghost, which I don't think it is, but never know. C, it's a cat, which I think is the most likely scenario, because cats make some weird noises. Like, I don't know, like, it was weird. Like, I want to make the noise, but I don't want to sound like an idiot doing it, so I ain't gonna do it. But yeah, I wasn't even gonna make this video right now, but yeah, it scared the hell out of me, because it just stayed doing that for like a minute. It was like a meow, but like, I don't know how to describe it. It was weird. It was like a meow, but it wasn't a meow. Maybe it was some cats getting freaky for Valentine's Day, just getting that early delight, early Valentine special. Never know. But yeah. um, that's it for this video. I just want to let y'all know I'm pretty scared right now. So if in the next two videos I upload I look kind of paranoid, y'all know why. Mr. Beluga checking out on this video. Time to make some more.